This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So we have a Samsung washer that's sometimes giving a DE or a D5 error. Usually means something's wrong with the door switch. Seems to be going now. Let's see. Let's turn off the power. Okay, turn the power back on. You can hear it click. Usually you get another click. No lock symbol yet. Timer doesn't show an error yet. So the cycle seems to be working now. It's progressing. Did the sensing to see how much weight was there, and then started that water flow in. Let's try it again. So we're going to go pause, shut off the power, okay, turn back on the power, open the door. So you want to make sure when you are testing out this D5 and DE error, make sure that these are tight, these two screws, so that this doesn't wobble too much. That's an okay amount of wobble. And that this is tight. This one seems a little loose. These two screws might need to be tightened. Sometimes you have to replace this door lock, which you just have to remove these two screws. You have to take off a metal ring that goes around here and just pry it off. You pull this boot away and you can grab the switch and just disconnect it. It costs about maybe 30 bucks. Put a new switch in. But it's better before you try that to make sure that you rule out a few things. So make sure these are tight. Make sure these are tight. Let's try it again. Close it. There's a lock symbol. Have to unlock. You have lock again. There's the drain. So we're going to test out that DE, D5 again to see if it shows up. So we'll start it, give it power. We got the door unlocked. Open the door because you want to add article of clothing. Lock it. Press start. Get locked. Unlocked. So it should lock again and then start. There's the lock. There's the start. Yeah. So I think it's no longer doing that same door error. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.